price is so high right now. Can you show my buddy the Cahds you have?
Yeah. 857 and 21.
Unbelievable. Good buying, man. That's how you do it.
Receipts and everything, guys.
So you take 9 on it. You don't want 40 bucks, dude? Yeah, dude. Two crisp 20s, dude? What? I said, you don't want to profit 2 crisp $20 bills? What are you thinking?
I'm
still comping? Yeah, no problem, bro.
I'm not going to comp all these. I did these two just out of curiosity. 11 and 7 right now.
I saw some sales on this doing like 10, so I'm asking 10.
Yeah. Okay.
I want this to 15, 10, 10. You know, I kind of moved the 15s down to 10 for you and the 25s down to 20. Are we looking at a stack there?
Yeah,
there we go.
A few.
There you go. Good choices. You like these ones, I've noticed. You like the kind of refractor, totally certified.
Just put this, still putting this.
Yeah. $8? Yeah.
I got a bunch. I'll give you 20. Is that all right?
Let me see what I can do.
I think he's gonna call. You have 2 ones. I'll take.
I think I have 10.
A lot of this autos, like gold autos, stuff like that.
Perfect. Always a pleasure. Thank you.
Like your trade is make or break.
Yeah, that's usually what it is. It's usually what it is.
All right, fellas.
Hey, I
Appreciate you, man. Never selling to him again. I'm just kidding. Guy knows how to buy. Good for him.
Yeah.
You guys buy? I'm trying to upload some National Treasure stuff. You guys buy National Treasure?
Depends what it is.
It's nothing crazy. And a Roman Anthony.
Oh, yes. Roman Anthony, yes, please.
I'm looking to get away everything today just because I am buying a National Treasures box.
You're buying a box?
Yeah. It's a birthday gift to myself. So nothing too crazy.
I'll take a look.
I sold a lot of big stuff.
Would you be open to trade? Would you be open to trading partially?
Yeah. If I got a PC. That's the 99.
I definitely want the Roman.
And I bought NT College.
I like NT.
Experience. It's not bad.
You don't love it?
I know the college is just not a good bang for a buck.
I'll look this one up. Sick card, wrong player.
What does that do?
5-ish?
I'm not a fan of the booklets.
15?
I'll pass on these ones.
Okay.
I'll look at that one.
You want this one? Do you want this, Roman? I just want this one. You pass?
I saw Roman. I need all the Roman.
Pass on this one. Do you have numbers on these?
I haven't comped those out, I'm not going to lie.
Okay. You got 160 going out, 20, 40, 60, and 100 for our friend Kyle. Thanks again, bro.
Thanks so
Appreciate
much,
you, man.
Good luck.
Take it easy. You too. For a little PC Roman, Bowman Inception, for Topps Inception, and Corbin Burns NT. True patch RPA. Going with me home. Catch you, bro. Let me see it. All right, so you can see, I mean, we're at the Berlin Truck Bar, and this place is pretty bumping. It's been selling a decent amount. One big pickup for Jesse today is a nice little Con auto sticker, though. What'd we get this for? 340. Nice little card here. Mostly selling some of our value stuff. Our inventory is still pretty dense right now, so see how the rest of the show goes. It's been good. Definitely been good. What's going on? Good to see you again. How are you guys? Good. Good. Love the jersey.
Recognize you right away with the glasses on. Incognito today.
Yeah, a little bit. Trying to start recording and posting more of our content from our shows.
I see every single post.
Heard that?
Yeah.
Sees every post. Let's keep posting.
Dude, I've been waiting for a redemption card from Panini.
What do you hit? What'd you hit?
It's a Brooks Koepka.
Oh, that's
Auto?
Yeah.
That's good. He's back with the PGA now.
But dude, it's like
Good to see you walking.
I got like maybe one more lap.
last year. I've been waiting.
When did you get the food off? I just left at the shop.
That's
No chance.
that's what boys do.
Yeah. I was like, I'm lugging that thing through.
Yeah.
No chance.
Jeremy here.
He just signed us up for you guys.
I can do that. I got a
I got a redemption card that I'm scared about submitting too. Thanks, Matt.
Oh yeah.
It's a big one too.
If you're gonna offer these redemptions,
I know.
you better know you're gonna
I know
get
it.
the autograph.
I know it.
You better know you're gonna be able to
I know it. I know it.
And, like, I could see Koepka being a dick about not signing.
100%.
Like, oh, yeah, I know I agreed to it, but I'm a PGA now. I'm not
Exactly.
gonna do it.
Exactly.
So,
I hope that's not the case.
it's not on me, that's on them.
Exactly. I hope that's not the case.
We'll see. I mean, if they want to give me a John Rahm autograph,
Sure.
then I'll take that.
How's it going?
How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Another packed house.
Indeed. Can't complain.
No.
Easy for me to say behind here with a chair though. You know? Huh?
310.
Oh. There you go. How's it going today? Good.
Is a raw did what?
12.
We did 2.9.
might have a sticker on the back. Let's see how Jesse does. Gotta spell it right and everything. The pressure's on now. Meta's watching. What's going on? Show for you. Good. It's good. Good. Just doing the walk around. Yeah, I'm at the corner. Decent. Kept getting compliments on our lighting, so that's good. Yeah. It's smart.
I see people go like this.
Yeah, they're like, what are you gonna do? Searching through some value stuff?
Yeah.
I like it. There you go. Good seeing you, man. Yep. When you see a dealer yawning, you know it's a good day, right?
How's your day?
It's good, man. Pretty tired, but it was good. It's good. That's how you know. That's how you know it's a good one. What's up, guys? Hey, what's up? The whole interaction. I'm John.
I'm John too.
John, easy enough,
John.
right? John and John are going to follow each other. Bucket breaks. The Cahds, we're going to make a deal. We're going to get Donovan at a 25 auto, going to this John, and we're taking home Classic. Captain USA, they say, Aaron Judge, Bowman 10, and 30 going to John. You use an H or no H?
I use an H.
Okay, no H. So there you go. That's how you know. That's how you know.
That's how I know it's meant to be.
Do you want to go to the club or do you want a 10?
I'll take a 10.
Perfect.
Thank you,
Easy.
sir.
Buzzer
Appreciate it.
beater.
Thank you so
Buzzer
much.
beater.
Oh, it's a little buzzer beater.
Yeah, there you
Just gotta
go.
Take a picture of it.
For sure.
You guys sell it all? You have a hobby shop or?
No shop or anything. We're just a bunch of dudes who like to respect ball like you do.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
I like good ball, you know?
Yeah,
I
exactly.
like to collect good players.
Me too.
Players,
Me too, man.
I'm a One Piece fan, so
It's a good market to get
I'm not a
into.
big fan of the One Piece market right now.
No.
Just because a lot of the people that are in it don't give a shit about the show. And
I'm gonna watch the show. I've been told the show's
Yeah,
incredible.
I know a lot of people that talk shit about anime. Just
Oh, I love
collect One
anime,
Piece now.
bro.
So if you talk shit on anime, you're gonna be. Let me just see that just real quick.
Yeah. You
You know,
just
if
said
you're
you
gonna
need a
talk shit on
picture.
anime and then go and buy One Piece
Yeah.
cards.
Yeah,
you know?
don't do that.
Don't do that. You know?
It's like the gamblers getting into sports cards, all right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly,
I
dude.
appreciate it, brother.
Of course, man. Gives you some time to get the hell out of here.
Yeah, I don't really have too much cleanup. Everything's packed. I didn't bring much. I'm wired on Red Bull right now.
Red Bull and beer, dude.